Alright guys, so now we are going to talk about the lecture 2.4, solving right triangle. You can use trig functions and their definition to compute missing measurement on a right triangle. And you should be able to solve right triangle by computing missing measurement and stating your answer to the correct number of significant digits. So let's jump right away on this idea of significant digit. So what do we have? Why do I have that? There we go. So, as you can see, when they're asking you to have two significant digits, so first of all, let's go back to this. If we write 15 inches, that means the object we measured was between 14.5 and 15.5, we can definitely write something like 15 plus or minus 0.5 inch. Okay? Same thing for this one. The difference is it's going to be plus or minus 0.05 inch. When for this one, it's going to be 15 plus or minus 0.005 inch. Now, in terms of significant digit, because we are looking for three significant digits, you will take the 1, the 9, and the 2. That is three significant digits. The 9, 9, and 6, this is three significant digits. All the 0 in front of the non-zero number will be considered as non-significant digit, okay? So this is the reason why when you have four significant digit 5799, this is four significant digit. Of 7071, this is again a fourth significant digit. Now, let's try to solve right triangle. So I have a right triangle, and let me write this right here. So I got a right triangle, A, B, and C with the side ABC. And I want to look at the value of tangent 84.5 degree and tangent 85.5 degree. We could also look at the tangent 84, 85, or 86 degree, okay? When I look at the sinus of the angle theta, I know it's equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. When I look at the cosinus of the angle, it's the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, and the tangent of the angle, it's equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So if I look at the value of tangent of 84 degree, it's about 9.519. 85 degree, the value of tangent 85 degree is going to be 11.430052, and the tangent of 86 degree is going to be around 14.300. Okay? Okay, so let's try to practice. If I call this ABC triangle, obviously what will be C, this will be A, and this will be equal to B. Based on the Pythagorean theorem, C square equal A square plus B square. Therefore, C equal the square root of A square plus B square. C equal the square root of 5.00 plus 7.00 square both, and you end up to have a C equal around 8.60 inches. Three significant digits because A and B add three significant digits. Now, if I want to find the angle A, let's try to find the angle A, the angle A. Well, tangent of the angle equal 5.00 divided by 7.00. The opposite side, I would like to remind you, the angle A is right here. So the opposite side, 500 divided by the adjacent side, 7.00, which correspond to 5 divided by 7. Actually, it's equal to 5 divided by 7. And therefore, A equal tangent minus 1 of 5 divided by 7, which give me a 35.537 67779 degree. Now, I'm supposed to have a 3 significant digit. Therefore, I'm going to have A equal 35.5 degree. Now, if I want to find B, I know that B is going to be equal to 90 minus 35.5, which imply 54.5 degree. I'll let you do the same thing for the problem number 2, as well as the problem number 3. Okay? We can work this out for the problem number 4. If I call this angle B, this B, A, and C, that will be A, that will be C, and that will be equal to B. So I know that A equal 90 minus 15. If I want to find the side A, well, I need to know the value of the angle B. I know that the angle B right here equal 15 degree. I just calculated before that A was 75 degree. So I know that A equal 75 degree, just in case I need it. Then I know that the opposite side B equal 2.5 inches. I don't know the value of the side A. That is something I don't know, but I know that the tangent of 15 is equal to 2.5 divided by the adjacent side, which is A. Opposite side, 2.5 divided by adjacent side A. Therefore, I end up to have A equal 2.5 divided by tangent 15. Why? Because if I want to have A by itself, I need to multiply by A both sides, and then I need to divide by tangent 15 both sides. And so, therefore, A will be standing by itself. Now, the answer is going to be A equal around 9.33012719 inches. If I want to take into account the number of significant digits, I'm going to write that A equal 9.3 inch. All right, so let me do the 9, a better 9. There we go, 9.3 inches. So now let's try to find if I can define the value of C. All right, so I know that the angle B equal 15 degree. I know the side B equal 2.5 inch. Well, I know also that the sinus of the angle B is going to be equal to 2.5 divided by C. So C is going to be equal to 2.5 divided by the value of sinus 15. Why? Because if I want to have C by itself, I'm going to multiply by C both sides and divide by the sinus B both sides. And therefore, C divide out, sinus B divide out, C now is by itself, and it's going to be equal around 9.659,258,263. And if I take into account the number of significant digits, I'm going to end up to have a 9.7 inches. All right. So thank you very much, guys, for this work, and I will let you finish the problem number 5 by yourself, and we'll talk about that and work in class together.